Hello, and thank you so much for your interest in Personal Memoir Essays 101. Here's why you should join this class. Before jumping into writing an entire book, you must understand the parts. The personal essay is basically a mini memoir that requires the same skill as authoring a full book. The episodes and experiences of your life are chapters. Chapters of a memoir are mini essays. Therefore, you must master the personal memoir essay to effectively write your life story. In this class, you will organize your story as creative nonfiction. You'll start writing personal experience essays that can be published for profit or simply for passion. You'll learn to make your story universal, learn narrative writing techniques, and outline your memoir. You will learn to focus on one significant experience in your life and fully illustrate it in a personal memoir essay. Ultimately, you will learn to organize and write your life story before tackling a full-length book. What will you accomplish in this class? What is the end goal? Well, you will learn to organize and write your life story in the form of a personal memoir essay. You'll focus on one significant experience in your life and fully illustrate it in a personal memoir essay. And you will write, submit, and receive feedback on a 3 to 5 page personal memoir essay from the instructor and other students. So in this class, you will be submitting an essay. We can help you share your story and discover what is interesting about your life. Why are you sharing your story? Who will benefit from your experiences? Can you write a hot 3 to 5 pages that will leave a reader wanting more? In this instructor-led course, you will receive feedback step by step, lesson by lesson on how to best tell your story. So head to the website www.arhampton.com or www.onyxedonline.com. Your instructor has written her own memoir called Soul Thoughts, Poems, and Essays. There's more than one way to write a memoir. This is in the form of short writings and poems. So you can head to the website www.arhampton.com and get your copy of this memoir through poetry and short writings. All right, we hope to see you in class. Personal Memoir Essays 101. Learn to write your life story. Go ahead and join now. www.onyxedonline.com or arhampton.com.